Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade, and this week I'm going to review a Jackfruit Complete Meal that I found at Kroger. So of course, I'm going to let you know what I think in just a few minutes. So here is a close-up of the meal I found in Kroger again while I was walking down the aisle. This is the Jackfruit Company. It's a vegan complete jackfruit meal. Here's another close-up of the Jackfruit Complete Meal. It only has 230 calories, it's gluten-free and soy-free. So it's pretty simple. You can either heat it in the pack, boiling the water for about 5 minutes, or you can open the package, put it in the pot, and put it in about a medium-high heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, or your desired heat temperature. Here's just a look at how it looks out the package. And of course, make sure you stir so it does not stick to the pot as it's cooking. And your meal is ready. Ooh, yes, look at that. So now for the best part, I'm gonna taste it. So looking at it, it looks delicious. It looks like shredded chicken or shredded like pork, you know, like the texture. So this one was like a Tex-Mex mixture that I saw. I literally was just going down my aisle and I saw Jackfruit Complete Meal and I was like, So I'm gonna let you know. As I was cooking it, it doesn't take that long. It smelled amazing. So it has like corn, black beans, and some like peppers, onions. So here we go. Oh wow, not bad at all. Not bad. Let me taste one more bite. I definitely taste the spice. It's actually really good. Again, it only took 5 minutes or less to warm up because literally all you're doing is warming it up. It's already made. Again, it's got like black beans, corn, onions, bell peppers, the jackfruit. It's really good. This would taste amazing, like maybe over some rice. It's really good. Yeah. It's delicious. You can taste all the flavors, the spice. The jackfruit doesn't taste like fruit. It's delicious. I am so surprised. Again, it's like my first time trying jackfruit as far as like in a meal kind of substance. So I would actually rate this. I would probably rate it like a 7 out of 10. To me, like I need more spice. Maybe this would be amazing over some like rice, over some nachos. Then it would be like a 9 or a 10 out of 10. So as far as like it's just basic, take it out of the package, put it in your pot, warm it up, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. But it's really, really good. It's really quick. Something quick, fast for lunch. Like I'm on lunch, so this is like perfect. Just pop it in, warm it up, boom, you're done. You don't have to slave over the stove. So it's really great for a quick lunch meal. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally, try it, and let me know what you think. Thank you guys again.